how to change this to this. Hello and welcome to Mr. No Idea YouTube channel. My name is Johannes, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your file preview from icon view to thumbnail view. Don't worry, it is not a clickbait. Actually, it is very simple to do. Before we jump into the real deal, as you can see, my channel has no subscribers yet, so if you want to see me more, make sure to subscribe to Mr. No Idea YouTube channel so that you will activate the techie nerd within you. I know it is hard to understand what I am saying. As you can hear, English is not my first mother tongue, but hopefully I will improve my pronunciation for better understanding. So without adding any extra burden to your ear, let's go directly to today's video. First, go to search and type control panel in the search bar, then click it. Next, change the view by option to large icon. But if yours is already on the large icon option, pass this step. Then choose from the list of large icons named File Explorer options. Then single or double click it to get a pop-up box. This box has many options, but forget about the others, just follow me, we are getting finished. What you have to do is go to View, which is next to General. Then from the list, uncheck the first option, which says Always show icons, never thumbnails. Then click OK. After you uncheck this, you are good to go. At first it seems a long process, isn't it? As you just witnessed, it's very simple to do, and I'm happy for you. You just removed one slight problem out of your life. As always, if you find this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed already, subscribe and solve one little problem by watching a single video from Mr. No Idea YouTube channel. Also, give me any suggestions related to my English pronunciations or about this video specifically or Mr. No Idea YouTube channel in general. Put it in the comment box. I am waiting eagerly to read with delight. Share my videos if you think they can be any of help to others. Until next time, may everything you wish come true. Ciao ciao.